Hello family, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be taking a tour in Italian hospital room, how it generally look like. So this is the bed in Italian hospital. So it has something like a remote control here. This place you can control the bed. If you want to make it high, low, anyhow you want it, you can use this button here to control the bed. Some of them have the remote in the side of the bed, but this one has its own in the front. So this is the chair. This chair has foam in the chair, bed in the chair. You can open it and it turns to a foam. Maybe you have a visitor, the person want to sleep there, then you can sleep there. So they have a television. It's like a desktop computer, but it's the television. If you want to watch any station, you can just turn it on. Cartoon, anything you want to watch, you can just turn this one on. It will give you the station. And on this same television, you can, if you want to call the doctor, you will not just go shouting doctor, nurse, anything. You can just bring the bed. This red one here is the doctor or nurse, whoever you want to call. You just press it, then the person will just come. You can on your lights there and everything. So here is the something like a drawer. You can store your things in here. Anything you have, you can just store it in there. And it will have a table as well. This one here is the table. You can, if you want to eat on it, you can just eat on the table, and it has a chair by the side of the table. So I'm going to be taking you guys to the wardrobe now. So this is the wardrobe in the hospital. So you want to put your things here, you can just arrange everything you come with here. Your bag, just arrange it in this wardrobe. So you can hang the one you want to hang. You can drop your bag there as well. So in the side, it has a light. You can switch it on or off. So here you have another chair. Maybe you want to relax. Just want to relax your head. You can just use this chair to just relax. And there's another set of chair here. Maybe you're having a visitor. You people can stay here, drink coffee together, just relax. You can just sit here. And by the side, it has a door here. You can open this door. Maybe you want some fresh air to come in the room, but you can't just open the door and go out and stand at the balcony. But you can open it for fresh air. You can open the door for fresh air, but not you going out of the door. So this is the room now. This is how Italian hospital room look like. So there's a passage here as well. So where you have your wardrobe, and at the side of the passage, there's the bathroom at the side of the passage as well. Your bed, wardrobe, and all. So I'll be taking you guys to the bathroom. Then I'll show you around the bathroom in the Italian hospital. So this is the bathroom. There's a mirror there on the wall. There's a sink where you can brush your teeth, wash your face, wash your hands in the sink. There's hot water and cold water as well in the tap or in there. Okay, so this place you can press for your soap. Your soap will come, and then you want to wash your hands, sterilize your hand. And this one is what the Italian people call bidet. And this one is a trash can. Maybe you eat something, you just want to trash it, then you can just come to the bathroom, then press it open and just trash it. So this is the toilet. Maybe you want to poo, pee or whatsoever, you can use this one. So this is the tissue wrap or tissue box. So it's just here, and by the side is heater, scaramento. So here we have our shower. Maybe you want to take a shower, you can just come to this place. So this is how Italian hospital home look like. So I think I'm going to be ending this vlog here. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share my video, and give it a thumbs up, and see you guys on my next one. Bye bye.